friends, welcome back. It's Mimi here with Kids Stories and More for another Read Aloud. I'm so glad you joined me today. And if you have a copy of this fantastic book, I hope you will go grab it, the video, go grab it, and you can read along with me. Don't you love this series of The Old Lady Who Swallowed? In this case, it's called There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed Some Leaves, written by Lucille Colandro and illustrated by Jared Lee. Don't you just love this series? I know, I believe I read the first one, There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly, and I had sang it because that's how I actually learned it. I didn't realize it was a book series, or maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was just a song at some point, or they made a song to it. This one I don't think I'll be singing, but I'm going to be sharing because we are still in the season of fall or autumn. And I'm excited for this. So if you are too, grab your copy. If you don't have one, then just join me on the carpet. You know what? I decided I'm gonna sing this. Again, there was an old lady who swallowed some leaves. You'll just have to deal with my bad singing voice. Here we go. There was an old lady who swallowed some leaves. I don't know why she swallowed those leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. Achoo! There was an old lady who swallowed a shirt. It didn't hurt to swallow that shirt. She swallowed the shirt to fill it with leaves. I don't know why she swallowed the leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. Oh my. There was an old lady who swallowed a pumpkin. She wasn't a bumpkin to swallow that pumpkin. She swallowed the pumpkin to wear the shirt. She swallowed the shirt to fill it with leaves. I don't know why she swallowed the leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. Achoo! There was an old lady who swallowed a pole. She was on a roll when she swallowed that pole. She swallowed the pole to prop up the pumpkin. She swallowed the pumpkin to wear the shirt. She swallowed the shirt to fill it with leaves. I don't know why she swallowed the leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. There was an old lady who swallowed some pants. She started to dance when she swallowed the pants. She swallowed the pants to cover the pole. She swallowed the pole to prop up the pumpkin. She swallowed the pumpkin to wear the shirt. She swallowed the shirt to fill it with leaves. I don't know why she swallowed the leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. There was an old lady who swallowed a rope. She didn't mope when she swallowed that rope. She swallowed the rope to tie up the pants. She swallowed the pants to cover the pole. Do you remember the next part? That's right. She swallowed the pole to prop up the pumpkin. She swallowed the pumpkin to wear the shirt. And why did she wear the shirt? She swallowed the shirt. Why did she swallow the shirt? She swallowed the shirt to fill it with leaves. I don't know why she swallowed the leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. There was an old lady who swallowed some hay. She didn't say why she swallowed that hay. But she did it with ease. And then she started to sneeze. Achoo! Happy fall, y'all. So, this book, right? It's so silly. This woman, this old woman, she swallows everything. But we love her, right? We have to read the whole series. I hope you enjoyed that. I know I did. I hope you didn't mind my poor singing voice, but I enjoy doing it. I enjoy seeing you every week for a read aloud and for other activities, so I hope you'll come back next week for some more. And please like, share, subscribe. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you look down in the description box below, it has all our information. We will see you soon. Bye-bye.